everybody, it's Ryan here. Got my 69 International spreader truck. I just wanted to do a review of it. There's my Ford F-150 and the Farmall barn find. And we were using it a lot today, or yesterday, and I didn't get to ride in it and show you how to shift it and stuff. It's a gas, and I'm gonna show you later how to shift it and show you some window videos and stuff about this truck and stuff. Yeah, it's a spreader truck. We use it to haul chicken litter with a lot. Whoa! And yeah, it's an old one, but it's a goodie. It's a goodie. It's got it don't have air horns, but I'm gonna put air horns on it. Train horns. Well, it's a red bumper, older style cab, custom cab. It's the number 6 truck. It's probably the 6th one that was made in '69. But yeah. So that's the video. I'll show you later how to shift it and show you some window videos of. Alright, bye.